Hi and welcome back to another football shirt review. Today we're looking at the Wolverhampton Wanderers home shirt for the 25-26 season, and this shirt was purchased from DHGate.com. I will leave a link in the description of this video to DHGate so you can take a look at their items. I'll also leave a DHGate link from my usual seller. I know it won't be for this shirt, but it'll just take you to their items, and then you can make a decision which ones you want to look at. I'll also leave some other links in the description of this video which I think you might find useful, so check them out as well. So the shirt comes in a standard bag, and the back side of it is just plain. So if you are new around here, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe. I do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. Any comments or questions, by all means leave them below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Delivery timescales, you're looking at about 15 days for this item to arrive from the point of you being told it's been dispatched. The seller is DHGate.com, and I think this is my fourth order from them, so I've got 3 more shirts that are going to be coming up over the next few weeks, so make sure you check them out as well. But let's get this bag open and take a look at the Wolverhampton Wanderers home shirt for the 25-26 season from DHGate.com. Okay, we've got the front of the shirt, and the collar line is just where it's been in the bag. It's just twisted over a little bit. But it's just like a standard sort of V-neck with a proper collar, so I do like the proper collars on shirts. Kit manufacturer is that Pseudo, and it's been heat pressed on. That feels really nice actually. And also on the sleeve we have the Pseudo again, once again heat pressed on. Nice black trim around the sleeves. Wolves badge has been embroidered on. That feels nice actually. And then the sponsor, DHGate, something like that. Again, heat pressed on, just a normal rubberized vinyl. And then we have kit manufacturer again, and the sleeve sponsor of JD Sports. And I think that's gone on pretty well as well. A few creases from where the shirt's been in the bag, but those will soon vanish once the shirt's been worn or washed. But it's a nice looking shirt, nice simple design, but to the point. Let's flip it around and take a look at the reverse side now also. Okay, we're on to the reverse side. Collar continues around, stitching doesn't look too bad. A little bit of a messy join there, but all in all, not too bad. We then have one pack, obviously being Wolves, that's vinyled onto the back. No name and number or anything, we've left this one plain, basically because it's a early release and there's no names and numbers that have been confirmed yet, although I am going to be giving this to somebody who I work with, so actually I could have got their name on the back of it, but no, I've left it plain. So yeah, that's it really from the back, nothing really much more that we can show. Actually, let's have a look. The material is it's got quite a bit of texture to it, so you can see like the brickwork on there, but it's not overly see-through either. Not at all. That's nice. So that's the reverse side. Let's flip it inside out and take a look at that. Okay, we're on to the inside, and you can see the stitching of the collar. A little bit of excess cotton from the join, but we can sort that out with a pair of scissors. Stitching all looks nice and strong under the arms. Onto this side, yep, nice and secure, nice white line to the bottom. We've got our washing instructions down here. The recommendation when washing these shirts is to flip them inside out and put it on a hand wash setting. When you come to dry them, just let them hang dry. Do not put them in a tumble dry, and it obviously says there do not iron as well. We do have some of this little card where the badge has been put on. If this doesn't come off, my recommendation is just put some lukewarm water on it. It will then peel off nice and easily. Bit hard with one hand. Yeah, I can't get it off with one hand, so that might be a good use case. I'll try it with 2 hands, but it might be a good use case for the lukewarm water. Actually, sponsor, yep, no creases. I say sponsor, that was the manufacturer, and the sponsor's fine as well. Got the JD on the side there, massive crease for it, but again, that's just from where it's been in the bag. So once the shirt's been worn, that will disappear. But that's the first part of the inside done. Let's look at the final part now too. Okay, here's the final part of the inside. We've got the banding around there for the neck protector. And then we've got the Wolves Crest Pseudo and XL. And that is vinyled on. And we've got the tag, it is a sports performance one. But it is just a standard tag. If we push in on the item, you can just about make out the Wolves Crest there and the Pseudo and the sponsor. So it is a little bit see-through, nothing really too bad though. So I think you get away with wearing just this one without anything underneath it if you wanted to, but I always wear items underneath them. Even in the summer months, I'll tend to wear something underneath these sort of shirts. But that's the inside done. A really nice shirt. Just a lot of creases on it though, but like I said, once it's been washed or worn, those creases will soon disappear, so don't worry about that. And there we have it, our Wolverhampton Wanderers home shirt for the 25-26 season from DHGate.com. That's JEOGM.com. I will leave a link to the seller in the description of this video. I'll also leave a link to my DHGate seller that I tend to use, which will enable you to have a look at their items. For me, it's a plain, simple sort of shirt, but it's quite effective actually. I quite like this one. Delivery timescales, you're looking at about 15 days from the point of the shirt being dispatched to getting to you, which is standard now for ordering these sort of items, but to be honest with you, I think that's really good for the price that you pay to get that sort of quality of shirt. If you have enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. I do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. Any comments or questions, by all means leave them below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. But there we have it, the Wolverhampton Wanderers home shirt for the 25-26 season that will be going to somebody that I work with. I hope you've enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.